of our fire is out. There's only the little tiny flames left. Didn't really work out. Kinda half did.
We both got marshmallows, so it's all
Yeah,
good.
we both got a marshmallow. Have to try it again next weekend. Oh,
I can't.
a little flame. Oh. You're doing something next weekend that does not involve me?
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Don't get this on video.
No. No, I'm just joking around. Okay. More important than me.
I made a commitment. Think that's funny?
Yes.
Breaking commitment.
Yeah, I do. Say you're gonna go to the party, then you don't, you know. Don't matter.